Hi there, this is Tammy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming on to do a quick project share. Last weekend I went on a crafting weekend with my sister Tracy and our friend Linda. We do this a couple of times a year, and it was Linda is actually moving away, so it might be the last time that she got to go with us. So we had a lot of fun, and it was nice to go. We always find a place on the Oregon coast to go, and this time we were on a golf course a couple blocks from the beach. It's a major golf course that's in all the big tournaments, and looking out one of our windows, the window where we were crafting in the dining room, was a beautiful green, and I don't know which hole we were at, but we watched golfers go through all weekend. So I have a couple of different projects that I worked on over the weekend. The first thing I did was my color combo collab for the last day of March, and I already have a video about that. I also made my cards for my Joy of Blue collab that I have to post this coming week. And then I did some other fun things. I have this card kit that I got from Home Shopping Network. It's Crafter's Companion. And I think this is adorable. It's got the cutest little animals. And the fun part is there's a front and back of every animal. And I don't know where oh, maybe it's in the box. Front and back to every animal. And they all use only one die. They're all the same shapes. There's a pig and a squirrel and a dog and a cat. And they are adorable. I only made 2 cards, but I did stamp and die cut quite a few different ones. And I didn't get much coloring done. You'll see why when you see one of the other projects I worked on over the weekend. But so this is the fox. I only got his little face colored. There's his back. And this cute little dog. And that's his back. And then there's also this little envelope that you can stamp with it. And then this cute little pig. So I thought these were a lot of fun. And it has multiple stamp sets, or multiple, yeah, you can't see that, sentiments. So this says smile, from all of us, for being you, for the gift, just to say, for everything you do. And then this one says cute, from me to you, on your special day, on your birthday, happy birthday, hello, you're so sweet, from the bottom of my heart. And they go with these dies. Oh, this is stuck together. One says with love and one says thank you. So I will show you. I only made 2 of one card. That's as far as I got with this, because this was the last thing I was working on over the weekend. So I have a lot more work to do. The nice thing about these kits is that they come with cards, envelopes, pattern paper, and what they call cardstock, which is just solid colored paper. So this is the card that I made. This is the kitty, and I love this. So this can be a border die, or I cut it apart. So it says thank you for being you. I colored this little kitty, and I tied that bow. And on the inside, you see the back side of the kitty. So I had a lot of fun making these 2 cards. Took me a while to do the coloring. Another thing I did was I have a Crafter's Companion card kit, and really it's just assembling, and there are 4 each of 6 different cards, and they call them decoupage, but that's not really what they are. So they call them that because you layer up all these pieces. It's all the same picture, but you're layering it up to give dimension. This one says you are beautiful, and then these cards are kind of weird how they open. So this looks like it's opening the wrong way, but it goes like this. And then this says inside and out. So you are beautiful inside and out. I like the hummingbirds on this. And this is I don't know what this is called, a triangle fold. So there's 6 different ones. So here's another one. Just a note. I think these colors are so pretty. And each one is a different shape. say hello. Sending hugs. This one had a piece that said sending hugs and kisses or something like that, but I send people lots of hugs. I don't send them kisses usually, so I didn't put that inside. This one says wishing you a wonderful day. They're all really pretty. Celebrate it on your special day. And the last one I think is very pretty too. These are yellow flowers. Best wishes. Just for you. So these are like a triangle easel card. It's all shiny printed paper. They all have space on the back to write on them. So it's just assembly. And I did 24 of these. It took me a good bit of time because there's a lot of, each has 6 layers I think. Putting all the dimensionals on the back. Stacking, lining them all up and stacking them up and making the cards. And then the cards also come with envelopes. These cards are 5 by 5. And then the last thing I did is, well, it's not the last thing. This other project I worked on all weekend, but I kept needing to let it, give it time to dry. Happy Stamper's Glitter Nest. I'm sure I've got her name wrong. I'll link her down below. Happy Bird's Glitter Nest. She made these really fun butterflies. And so I made them also. There's a little dangle on there. This one has 2 dangles because I took hers a step farther and I backed them together. And then I put fishing line, well, it's not fishing line, this is jewelry line, fire line, so that it can hang. So mine has 2 little dangles. And I think these are adorable. And I did, this is using diamond dust and triple thick. This butterfly has 2 layers on each side, and then I stuck them together. I'm trying to find a better way to put them together because I was not aware that when you stack up dimensionals like this, they don't stay stuck together. They should because they're really sticky. But I took them out of the bag this morning and some of them had come apart. So I'm not sure what to do about that. So they can be dimensional. They're very thick. So I couldn't really back them back to back because they're formed. You form them as you go to give them dimension. Anyway, so that's one. Here's another one. This is blue. It's got the same 2 little dangles. I had these Memories and More journaling cards, and they were these patterns, and I die cut out of the cards to make these butterflies. Here is one more. This one I didn't use the triple thick and diamond dust. I used this Stickles glitter gel. It's still really sparkly. It's more sparkly in person than it looks here, but I still think it's really pretty. They all have the rhinestones for the bodies and the same little danglies. And then here is my last one. This is the one I'm keeping for myself. I have it hanging here at my desk. So, and once I figure out how to reinforce this, these will be little gifts that I'll give to people. But it took a while. Each one has the butterfly itself die cut in pattern paper and in white cardstock. There's 2 different sizes and 4 different layers, so that was 8 pieces for each butterfly, plus die cutting the antenna. And there were different things you had to do and then let it dry. So I worked on these all weekend. I ended up with 6 of them, and did all the other projects in between. So these were my projects for our weekend away. I'm going to put a set of these cards in my giveaway that I was supposed to do yesterday on Saturday. And maybe one of these butterflies plus some other stuff. So, as I said, I'll link below. I'm sure it's Happy Bird's Glitter Nest. That sounds right. And let me know what you think of my projects. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.